Hello. So thank you Faradbeauty for sending me this beautiful device to try. I have tried it on my own legs earlier. Let's get on. We've got settings for, first of all, for heat. I actually like the heat quite high. Let's get the heat right up. Then it's got this vibration controller, how much it's going to vibrate, different settings. So this stimulates and agitates, so good for muscles and also good for moving lymph. And then this is the microcurrent. I'm going to start with the microcurrent just on, let's put it on a 2, quite low to begin with. And then it's got a red light setting that comes on automatically. I'm actually going to turn down, let's turn down that for a minute. Because what we'll do is we'll wait for it to heat up and we'll start. So it has two ways of working. First of all, for lymph. So it's moving lymph. And then the other thing that I think that it works really well for is just working for agitating and pulsing through the muscles. Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Not too tingly?
No.
Yeah, because sometimes if you have the current quite high, it can feel a little bit like little shocks, and you don't really want that. Certainly not on our first date. But once the heat comes in, I found it really lovely, and then the oscillation and agitation is really nice for the lymph, but also for the muscle fibres. So I wouldn't use it the whole time. I would just use this just to warm up and to literally warm up and to start moving the lymph. You can use it sort of over and over an area, a little bit like a gua sha, if you like, but not gua sha like gua sha, but you know, sort of going in and scraping. So what you would do perhaps if you're working with your knuckles or with gua sha, so you can do a scraping technique. That's what Faradbeauty wanted it to be, is so that you can use it as a scraping tool as well as a lymphatic tool. So, and you can certainly see, you may not see it here, but there's nice reddening and erythema coming through. That's good, actually. That's good, because I haven't actually done very much in that. Does that feel okay here? Yeah. Because that's come up really quite nice with erythema here. Excellent, really nice. And if I was working anywhere on the body for lymphatics, you can just work it a little bit more brisk movements, which would be good for lymphatics, using your hands as well. Yeah, I like it. The heat's coming through now. There's certainly a lot of erythema presenting, so I could definitely see that it has utility and efficiency in what I'm doing here, that's for sure. Good. Okay. I love it. Thank you.